This is a very nice definition here of pride and Saraswati Thakur's purport. Check this definition out. Domination, this is the meaning. What is pride? Because the word there is Damba Maya. Atheists were frightened by seeing the strength of his knowledge. In ordinary dealings, Vishwambara appeared to be full of pride. Vyavahar. Vyavahar means ordinary conduct. Daily conduct is called Vyavahar. Deki Prabhu. When anyone saw Mahaprabhu, they thought Damba Maya, that he was totally saturated with pride. The arrogant scholar, the boy genius, the arrogant scholar, the puffed up Brahmin of Navadvip, the indefeatable Brahmin. Damba Maya means he was the embodiment of Maya, made of or saturated with, or the embodiment of Damba, which means pride. So the definition of pride: domination over others, to nourish one's false ego by persons who are expert in material considerations is called pride. So someone may be very expert in material affairs, and in order to nourish his false ego, then he tries to dominate other people, control other people, subjugate other people. I thought that was nice. Egoistic, proud persons who try to establish their own prominence over Vaishnavas by taking advantage of their natural humility in worldly dealings become intoxicated by self-praise.